to fix headset mic not working on Windows 11. If your headset mic is not working or headphones are not detecting when plugged in on Windows 11, then follow these steps to fix this issue. First of all, ensure that the microphone is not muted. There is usually a button on most headsets that allows you to muffle the microphone. Open the Realtek audio console, then click on the headset microphone under recording devices and make sure the box beside mute is not checked. If it is, uncheck it by clicking on it. Also, if the main volume is too low, increase it to close to 100. Now, select the right microphone and test it. To use your headset microphone as a primary audio input device, you must properly select it in the sound settings. Open the Settings app and navigate to the System Sound. Here, select the headset microphone and click on it to open its settings. After that, test the microphone by clicking the Start Test button. If a microphone successfully records the sound, the headset is now configured properly. Check physical connection. Ensure the headset is fully plugged in. Also check the audio jack for dust or debris and try using another port. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.